is Shefa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Today I'm going to tell you how to draw a magical bird. I did it for my mom for Mother's Day. Let's go. So we are now going to draw. So we are going to do it light. Because if we do one mistake when we do it the light shade, we can erase it good. But if we draw it very dark, you maybe have some marks on the paper. So now let's draw. So we have to draw a circle first. Then a beak, and a line in the center. Then you can draw any eye, so I'm going to draw a very cute eye for myself. And then we are going to draw one design on its head, like this. Touch its beak, so it can go here, then do a curve and up, then do and attach it, then do a longer one, and then we attach it. And then we are going to erase this part to draw its body and outline it when you erased it. And then we are going to draw a big long oval. I drew a small circle. So I have to draw a small oval long body. So we are going to draw it like this and stop there. Then we are going to do it the same way at the bottom. And we are going to let a small space here to draw the tail. So the tail is going to be pretty, so we're going to do a zigzag. Then we're going to keep it like that, like a heart shape. And then we're going to do the same thing. Then we are going to do the last one. So we're going to go up and we're going to join it there. So it's like a cat is when you turn it there. So yeah. So I am going to draw this wiggly line and then draw a circle on it. It should be this way. It should face this way. And then we are going to draw another one here. So it will face this way. So we have to go facing this way, the ball. And then this should face in the front. So we are going to draw it in the front. So it's facing there. For now, we are now going to do the wings. So if you want to draw any kind of wings, you can draw any kind of wings. But for now, I'm drawing my own. I'm drawing like that. And then I'm going to draw that and then a huge one, like a long one. And then we are going to draw the same thing as the other wing we drew on. And then we're going to do a design here in the body. I mean on the body, not in. We are going to do like a music note. So we're going to do it like this and like this. And now we are going to color it. So I'm going to color this in the dark green. And I'm going to shade two colors, these two colors. So first I'm going to do the dark light, then the light one, then we are going to do peach and these both colors. So it's for the wings. So first we're doing dark. Then we are doing purple, normal. Then we are going to do the peach. I picked. So yeah. Then we are going to do the same thing on the other wing. So we're going to do it here. And then the purple. And the peach. Then I'm going to color the body, which is purple. So I'm going to color it lightly. And then I'm going to color it the dark purple. So I'm going to color it. Then we are going to color the face. So I'm doing it the same way but light. So I can shade with the normal purple. And then I'm going to do the big red. And the last and final topping is these both on the top. So first I'm going to do this green and this purple. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button for notifications. Bye. Thank you.